Welcome everyone to the ADV Orlando channel, where riding on two wheels is always an adventure.
It's gorgeous. Really nice.
Today's video is a part of the video documentary that I'm doing of the Eastern Panhandle of West Virginia. Stratford Lane in Jefferson County, as you can see, starts here along the Shenandoah River and continues up to King Lear Road. It's even shorter than what Dutch Hill Road was, but still very nice and part of a good connection of nice roads to ride on if you ever wanted to ride in this area. Not just through the area, but around the area. And always remember to ride what you have whenever you can, wherever the road takes you.